This is Car Guys Talk with Andrew and Tavarish.
Did the Senna just get crashed?
No idea.
Okay.
You know,
That sound was Freddie's elbow hitting the table as he hastily put his hands on the laptop to do a search.
Oh no, I don't want to look for Senna crash because
No.
oh god, okay. McLaren Senna crash. Maybe okay. That's gonna come up with some grisly images.
I don't actually think there are any images
Yes,
of that.
there are. Yes, there is.
oh god, what? There we go.
There we go. So there was a Senna that
Oh,
crashed.
dear.
This actually might be the guy that seen through glass. His friend had a Senna, and in that exact spec. And but I'm not sure if that's him. There can't be that many Sennas.
This car is ugly
How dare you?
in the front.
No, it's ugly in everywhere. There's no good.
I don't
angle
remember
in
what
this
it
car.
looks like in the back, so I just
It's-
said the
I think this is probably the only good angle, and then you move it a little
that
bit.
is
and then
not a good car for a Golf livery.
oof. That is
Yeah, even I'm having a little.
that's
Yeah,
tough.
All right, no,
That's
that
tough to like.
I really don't like that.
No.
Again, our
See,
opinions don't
this
matter.
is not like I don't hate the front.
I
on
still
this.
think it would be cool to drive.
Sure, this is probably a fantastic driver's car. It's probably great, but man, that is not a no.
Just had an out of body experience.
Yeah.
People are tuning in and watching us argue about how a car looks.
Yes.
They're forming their own opinions and
Yeah.
writing comments that are very angry.
So this is the kind of car I would actually buy. That's more my speed.
Oh yeah, that's a beauty.
That's my. This is a 650S.
Stopped is your speed?
Yes. Well, crashed is my speed. Preferably on fire, like right here. But this is a 650 Spider, and you know that because there's little things right here.
You know, just because you've completed one Lamborghini doesn't mean you're.
Doesn't
hot
mean I'm
stuff.
Mr. Supercar Reviver.
Yeah,
right?
I mean, basically that Lamborghini had a Bic lighter held to the side of it.
guys, can we just talk about this for like a second?
How about we don't talk about that for
All right,
any
so
second?
for those
What
of
are
you
you
on
talking about? I
audio,
don't see
this
anything.
is a McLaren. Yeah. What?
Wait, hang on.
What are you talking about?
You're just now thinking about the people listening audio only?
Oh yeah, I mean,
We've been looking at pictures this whole time.
if you're on audio, then this is going to be tough. This is going to be tough for you.
I hope you looked up stuff on your phone while you were driving.
Well, you
No,
can,
don't do that.
you can Google along. We're going to do a quick Google commentary track where we just tell you, like, Google Speedtail now.
When you hear this sound, flip the Google page.
Okay, so we're looking at a McLaren. We are looking at a McLaren Senna. And it has
Anyone's under like 18, they're not going to understand what I'm referencing right now.
I don't know what you're referencing.
Audiobooks from being children's.
So we're looking at a
the
Senna.
audiobooks that were on
we're
the cassette.
looking at a Senna
Cassette audiobooks?
that has a polka dot wing.
I would call that not polka dot. What's the
Chicken pox.
That has a chicken pox wing, but it's
black and white chicken pox?
black and white chicken pox, and it looks horrendous.
No. That's obviously for spy shots. I can't remember the camouflage.
Why would you spice
just
up
the
the
wing?
wing? Just
Yes.
the wing.
No, obviously that's what it is. Yep.
Spy shots for just the wing.
You know what? He's right.
Yes.
He's right. Yep. It's
Camouflage.
Yep.
Obviously.
Spy wing.
It's production testing camouflage. I cannot remember what that's
No,
normally called.
I get that, but I'm saying like
Yes.
the entire car is visible.
No, I get what
No,
you're
it's not.
saying as
It's
well.
black. It's
Why are you
blacked
throwing
out.
logic into this?
It's all blacked out.
Blacked out.
They only drive it at night.
Yep. Yep. They snuck into the McLaren top secret factory base.
Okay, so
Fun fact.
that's that
That's blurry.
is blurry. That is very 2002 mode.
The polka dots on that wing do that car exactly 0 favors.
Guys, that is a bad looking car. That is horrible.
Imagine what it would look like without that wing. It's like a. It's like, what is the exhaust doing? It's shooting up.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
It's like an LFA that someone folded up a little bit.
Well, yeah, but
It definitely does look like an origami LFA.
The 600 LT has upward facing exhaust. And it's the
Yeah,
most
but
amazing
that one
thing
has cool stuff, and it goes like over the wing. This goes under. I don't know, dude. They're probably so much like this car is probably the fastest thing ever. I wouldn't touch one of these things with
I'd
a
rather
10
go for a
foot pole.
720, really.